When it comes to cloud hosting, Google Cloud is one of the biggest players, but is it the right choice for you? Today, we'll break down 12 essential things you should know before committing, especially when compared to other popular options like AWS and Azure. Stick around till the end, where I'll share a better option that you can try for free. First thing you need to know is Google Cloud offers a highly reliable infrastructure. It's backed by Google's global network, offering uptime that's tough to match. While AWS and Azure also provide solid reliability, Google's edge is its unique ability to scale with your business needs seamlessly. Next thing, Google Cloud offers great flexibility with pricing. It's pay as you go, so you only pay for what you use, unlike traditional hosting plans with set fees. This can make it more cost-effective, but the pricing structure can be complex and difficult to understand at first. Unlike simpler solutions like Bluehost, which offer fixed plans, Google Cloud's flexibility comes with a learning curve. The third thing to know is that Google Cloud is ideal for developers. It supports a wide range of programming languages, frameworks, and tools, giving you more control over your environment. If you're looking for a more hands-on solution, it's perfect, but if you're just looking for a website builder, something like Shopify or WordPress might be better for ease of use. The fourth thing to consider is the integrated Google tools. If you're already using Google Workspace, Google Cloud integrates smoothly with Gmail, Docs, and other Google services, making it convenient for teams that rely heavily on Google's ecosystem. The fifth thing is security. Google Cloud offers robust security features, including encryption at rest and in transit, multi-factor authentication, and more. However, you'll need to set these up yourself, unlike some competitors like HostGator, where security features are often pre-configured. If you're not technically inclined, this could be a barrier. Next, Google Cloud is highly scalable. As your business grows, you can easily add resources to meet demand. While AWS and Azure also offer scalability, Google's auto-scaling feature is simple to use and perfect for businesses that expect rapid growth. The seventh thing to note is Google's network performance. With Google Cloud, you benefit from the same infrastructure that powers Google Search and YouTube. This gives you a potential edge in speed and performance compared to competitors like AWS or DigitalOcean, whose networks might not be as fast or optimized. Next up, support. Google Cloud offers 24/7 support, but at a price. If you need advanced assistance, expect to pay for premium support, which might not be ideal for smaller businesses. Competitors like Bluehost offer cheaper or even free support, which can be an advantage for beginners. The ninth thing is the learning curve. Google Cloud's interface can be overwhelming for newcomers. It's designed with experienced developers in mind, so if you're just starting out with hosting, platforms like SiteGround might be easier to navigate. The 10th thing is that Google Cloud provides solid analytics and reporting tools. If you want detailed insights into your site's performance, you can leverage Google's native tools like Google Analytics and BigQuery. This is something AWS and Azure also offer, but Google's reporting tools are more user-friendly. The 11th thing is the environment. Google is known for its commitment to sustainability, running most of its cloud services on renewable energy. If eco-friendliness matters to you, this could be a deciding factor. Not all hosting providers offer this level of commitment. And the 12th and final thing is cost transparency. Google Cloud's pricing isn't always the most straightforward, which can lead to surprise charges if you're not careful. For simpler pricing, competitors like DreamHost offer more transparent plans, but you may sacrifice some of the flexibility Google Cloud provides. To sum it up, Google Cloud Hosting is a solid option for developers or businesses looking for scalability and performance. However, if you're a small business owner or a beginner, the complexity and pricing structure might not make it the best choice for you. For a simpler and more straightforward solution, we recommend checking out our top pick, which you can try for free.